ABS light on? This warning could save your life. Imagine you're driving down the highway and suddenly that little ABS warning light on your dashboard turns on. You ignore it. After all, your brakes are still working, right? Big mistake, because the next time you slam the brakes in an emergency, your car might skid out of control, and there will be nothing you can do. ABS, or anti-lock braking system, is one of the most crucial safety features in modern cars. Its job? To prevent your wheels from locking up when you brake hard, especially on wet or slippery roads. Without ABS, your car could skid uncontrollably, making it nearly impossible to steer during an emergency stop. But when the ABS warning light comes on, it means something is wrong with the system, and that could be dangerous. Let's break down the most common reasons why this happens. Faulty wheel speed sensors. Your ABS relies on sensors at each wheel to detect how fast they're spinning. If one of these sensors gets dirty, damaged, or fails, the system can't function properly, and boom, that warning light turns on. Defective ABS control module. The control module is like the brain of your ABS system. If it fails, your ABS won't work, even if the rest of the braking system is fine. Leaks or blockages in ABS hoses. Hydraulic pressure is key to ABS operation. If there's a leak or blockage in the ABS system, it won't be able to function properly, leading to potential brake failure. Worn brake pads. You might not expect it, but extremely worn brake pads can affect the ABS system. If the brake pads are too thin, the system might detect it as a problem and trigger the warning light. Partially engaged parking brake. Leaving your parking brake slightly engaged while driving can confuse your braking system and cause warning lights to appear. Malfunctioning ECU, engine control unit, communication. Your car's ECU and ABS system constantly communicate. If there's an issue with the connection, the ABS system might not work correctly. Low brake fluid levels. Brake fluid is essential for the entire braking system. If levels drop too low, your ABS won't function properly, and the warning light will turn on. Faulty wiring. Broken or corroded wires between the ABS sensors and control module can cause system failures. Incorrectly calibrated sensors. If your sensors aren't properly calibrated, they might send the wrong signals to the ABS control module, causing the system to malfunction. ABS pump failure. The ABS pump maintains pressure in the braking system. If it fails, your ABS system won't work, making sudden braking much more dangerous. Now that you know why your ABS light might be on, how do you fix it? Here's what you should do next. Check your brake fluid levels. If they're low, top them up, but also check for leaks. Inspect your wheel speed sensors. Dirt and debris can cause issues, so cleaning them might solve the problem. Use an OBD2 scanner. Plugging in a scanner can help you diagnose the exact issue without guesswork. Check your brake pads. If they're worn out, replacing them could turn the ABS light off. Look for faulty wiring. If you suspect an electrical issue, have a professional inspect it. Yes, your regular brakes will still work. But here's the catch. If the road is wet, icy, or slippery, your car won't have the extra safety of ABS to prevent skidding. That means in an emergency, you might lose control, which could be the difference between a close call and a serious accident. So, if your ABS light is on, don't ignore it. It might seem like a small issue now, but when you need to stop in an emergency, it could mean the difference between safety and disaster. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Motor Mindset for more car safety tips. Stay safe and keep your car in top shape. See you in the next video.